opening day and it's windy and cloudy. But we got turkeys about 500 yards down this tree line, hopefully. And then there was another one on this big ridge over here behind us, so we're kind of in the middle on the edge of the cutover, so hopefully we can get one on the gobble. Bird win. He's coming. Hey, make sure you can shoot down the road too, Caleb. There's two of them. Two. I was thinking more that way. No, he's not. He's moving. He's just over the lip. I know, but he would see us. How far do you think he is? 100 yards? I don't know if I can get away from this without him seeing us. Without him seeing. It's rude of him to cut me off like that. Move further left. I'm just scared to move. I'm scared he's gonna go this way. If he goes this way, he'll pick us off or we'll never be able to get a shot. Caleb could probably swing on him right there. Oh, yeah.
I never seen him.
Oh yeah.
Sorry, buddy.
Oh,
I wanted him to come to you, but
Good job.
I wasn't going to let him go because I knew as soon as he
There
popped
you
up here,
go.
didn't see us. I hope that's the gobbler.
I could have swore I heard a turkey.
Oh, ears on him here.
That's why I was going to call because as soon as we took off.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Woo, 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 woo. What we got here?
Got a good one.
Look at the hooks on that dude.
Look at his beard.
I got some.
Woo. I saw him pop up over there.
Look at
I
that.
never seen him.
Freaking rope.
I-
You didn't
I
see him
seen
pop up right here?
I seen him. Yeah, I seen him through these little pines. That's
How
what
do you see him?
This mound right here, I saw his head pop up and he was like, oh crap. Because I knew he was going to.
You said I seen him?
Yeah. Because I knew he was going to look up here and not see a hen.
I had a bunch of brush on like right. I could either shoot to the left of this, like right through.
Yeah. I knew it was going to be over quick. You just shoot him so bad, but
Where did you see him first? Very long time ago.
he crossed the road down there.
He crossed down there, like right where the road turns. He crossed right there, and he was coming from that side, and I saw him cross. Well, the next thing you know, that's when he started gobbling over here. What he was is he was just down there,
Yeah, he's in that
Yeah,
little
he was
swag.
Probably in there
Yeah.
sweating.
and then
I knew he was going to come left the
The
whole
next
time.
thing-
Oh, I did
know.
too. I did too.
see that's why what would have been
They never
crazy.
come down the freaking road.
I know. What would have been crazy is if you could have snuck while he was way down there, snuck up to one of these mounds. You could have shot him easily.
What time is it? 9?
9:45. I wasn't going to shoot whenever you started. I saw him come up and
No,
he
I
started
was-
going right.
If he got, yeah, I was like,
He started going this way and I was like, Dennis, I'm shooting him when he steps out because
Kevin better shoot him because I can't. If I didn't have my shot going.
this was supposed to be Caleb's turkey, but once again, I shot it out from under him.
We're brothers.
Oh gosh, we were literally about to go mess up, and Caleb heard him gobble, and we knew it was that way. We didn't know how far. Called again, nothing. We're about to start walking, and then boom, he hammers, and he's less than 150 yards.
And we sat down right there.
Yeah, we scrambled, sat down. Caleb's lined up perfect. The turkey actually crosses the road. Dennis saw him cross the road 80 yards from us, and then he just gets over here in these woods and starts gobbling, cutting us
How
off.
long do you think it took you?
10 minutes at the
Felt
most.
like an hour.
It felt like
a
a-
long
yeah.
time.
Gosh.
And of course, like turkeys do, instead of coming back and coming down the road to us,
Like
right
we
to
want.
Caleb's gun,
Yeah.
They don't ever come down the road.
no, he swings around and gets down here below this hill and peeking his head up. And he got too far to Caleb's left. He couldn't see him.
He got to the
Man.
thick stuff,
Pretty good
Yeah.
damn Spurs right
and
there,
he came
son.
out to the left of us. Kevin could see him better.
So here he is.
We
There
took
he is.
advantage of it.
Hey, that's my first shot with the apex right there.
That's what I'm talking about.
Tag apex.
I'll take it.
That's
We'll give him 2 inches on
2
Spurs.
inches rounded up to the biggest number.
I'm gonna say that's at least 18-inch beard.
Well, that's 12 foot, and then
Oh, yep. Shorter than the foot, but it's got to be 18 inches.
12 and a half.
Hey, don't pull his beard off, man.
Stretching her out.
Oh, thank you.
Easy on the beard.
So now we gotta go find another one. We still got 2 more tags to fill today, so
That's right.
It's a Monday. People calling me. Got turkeys to kill.
work can wait. So
Let's go get another one.
let's go do it.